Im Gerommelen.
So now we have
Violet versus
again
Mars.
Provo versus this time we have Mars versus
Mars versus Froe. Who is this? Lucimp. Last time when they played each other, it was ass. Like not ass, but Bruno got I think 2 stops or 3 stops in Trier.
When was it? It was okay. They played against yes.
Yeah. And then he switched to Lucina, but this time I think he thinks like, okay, online maybe it's better. I mean, right now it looks quite good.
I don't know the matchup between those two. I don't know if it's.
We see the okay, I can't watch anymore.
It's the matchup.
Are you still in there?
You can watch in my stream. It's still.
Okay. For me, I got put away. I got put down like a dog. Crazy, like Sunny.
You see the bad guy here. Not like so. Anyways. Okay, so what about the matchup? I don't know if is the matchup good for Weider. I don't know. No,
this is good for ages 100%. Oh, he does this stupid charge neutral beast, so stupid. Why does he get hit by this shit? He's so ass though.
Anyway, so we have both players fighting. So you think the matchup is good for Iech?
Yeah, Iech.
No jump.
Ooh, nice. They can edge guard Violet. They are very fast.
Yeah, but still
much faster than Violet. And even though Violet has a lot of range, like nice man to dash attack. No, in my opinion, Aegis has the advantage over Violet, 100%.
What about the second? I think it's also in favor of Mox.
I think it's like yeah. I don't think Lucimp won against Mars. Also, like not also, but
the double arrow.
Damn crazy. I mean, sometimes you just get hit by this. It's like.
Okay again.
Okay, it looks very promising for Mars. Upside? Okay. He takes this damage. Okay, he's really greedy for those edge guards. He pushes him into the side. And the up air kills. Oh, and he does it again. Just do normal. I got it back, yes. Like this.
Yeah, that was that. He has to get away there.
Nice empty hop into grab. What? Why is he normal get up in? He should just wait, in my opinion. What can he do? He can do down air, but you will see.
Yeah. I will do again special.
But he's really good in ledge trapping and putting up the pressure. Like also when I played against him, he did that a lot. And against Sephiroth, he's very broken because when you hit a fair on the ledge, this will kill too early. Nice. He's just thinking, get off of me. I will just F smash you. Good idea from Mars. Nice. Nair into nothing. He got hit by the bazooka, man. Yeah, Bruno really loves Lucien really loves going for those nairs. I mean, and he can.
No,
what? He missed this. Back
there was a bit too much to the left, but it's
yeah.
He's trying to get to you with the fair there and also.
Yeah, I think he wants to keep like the. He's jabbing he's jabbing Phantoms. He's jabbing Casper.
Each battle a chance to grow.
Yes. Okay. So.
Okay, first game goes to Mars. 130. In my opinion, very evenish matchup. Slight favor to Mars. I don't think Bruno likes Violet, so I guess maybe this can also like affect his way of playing the game. But it's better than last time. Like he's not bad. Okay, we see Battlefield.
So we see already first combos. We see already some percentage on this thing.
Ooh, nice
Okay, nice combo, okay.
Okay,
No
he
jump,
kept
no
his
jump.
jump.
Okay.
Very good to come. Ooh, now he's reversing.
Ooh, okay,
No,
he was
he
trying.
didn't get
März
this
was
kick
trying.
Oh, what?
Oh, that
Very
was
bad
unfortunate.
recovery
He was
from
a bit-
Lucimp.
Yeah, that was unfortunate. I think he's already not happy anymore.
I mean, I can understand. It's tough if you lose your stock like this. I think nice
Yeah, I
in
see. It's
Lëtzebuerg.
already-
We see the legs. I'm sure Bruno did not want to do the down air. This okay, he always rolls after he misses his side beat. Maybe he can take advantage of this.
Yeah.
I couldn't. Ooh.
I don't really understand why März doesn't have stage control, because he's always staying at the edge of the corner. It's really dangerous. I don't understand.
The issue is like he doesn't get to go to the middle because Iech is this fast, and then he will just get comboed. He's just like combo food in the middle of the stage. Okay, he's greedy. He goes for the down air.
Yeah, I see. With Kéier, I think he can take back stage control a little bit. And now again,
Yeah.
it's just... yeah, with Mifra it's pretty tough, but I think with Kéier it's okay, we ran like this.
Ooh, yeah, this doesn't kill. Okay, crazy. I didn't know that that this move is this weak. Thought it was
Strong,
strong.
but not super strong. Like,
Okay, he doesn't have a jump
jumping there.
anymore.
What was he jumping?
What was this down? Okay, okay, forward tilt.
Yeah.
He always does the forward tilt. He just forward tilt or forward tilt forward
I
there.
think I would have just
So
rolled
strong.
to get backstage control and not just...
Ooh, nice backer.
Yeah, but it's tough.
Okay, just okay, crazy. Oh,
Yeah,
side
I
B
know.
wanted to come out, but
130% for Lucimp. Every hit.
nice up smash.
Pretty much almost every hit. No, not quite.
The up tilt. There. Forward there.
Trying to get out of these combos. Because now...
Yeah, it's like if he's in the middle, he gets like he can just use the platforms and everything, like the stage,
Yeah, that's-
to just combo him off stage. So he will just keep.
Yeah, we see.
Yeah.
We see März is quite
Ooh,
super
he's struggling a bit now.
Yeah, he's struggling.
He's
not
dead.
even
He has no
switching to
jump. I think.
Pyra. Ah, now he switched to Pyra.
Ooh,
Nice.
okay.
Now
And he
he
goes-
really has to kill to don't get into enemy.
Ooh,
Killed with the arrow.
Damn, how did he get hit by the arrow? Like, I guess he didn't think he
okay,
would
very
really
good.
unleash it.
Yeah. Very good to get back. Oh, and unfortunately up B didn't hit. Only one hit.
Ooh.
Okay.
Yeah,
Very
good
low
play from
shield, but-
März, just having the patience.
Yeah, now he has to be very patient because now it's 130% with 52%.
Why is he doing this? It doesn't make any sense.
Pretty much everything is killing him.
Yeah, he just.
What is he
okay.
trying there? Okay.
I have no
Just
idea.
pummeling him. Ah, it's so tough, he has to get out there. Ah, he has to get out.
Yeah, it's like he has to roll, but
Ah,
I
yeah,
think
he's dead.
also I think it was a bit. This was a bit that can break the eye, but
What? Okay.
oh,
Okay, tough. Ah,
okay. I think this was again a misinput.
have
I think he wanted to go off stage.
Should have chosen another option because up you again. I was trying to just crash out down smash.
Oh.
I should.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
Has no jump. He has no
Good catch
jump.
with the-
Oh.
Yeah, he's dead.
I don't see anything. Okay.
That was tough.
Damn, GG's to both players. Very good match.
GG.